Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is regression analysis to analyze cost behavior. So, what is regression analysis? Statistical procedure for determining the line and cost equation that best fit all of the data points in the data set. The line of best fit. More accurate than high-low method. And by the way, if you want to know more about high-low method, we have a video about it in our channel, and it is in our video description. Okay, and we basically work with the R square. That is a statistic tells us how well the line fits the data point. So the goodness of fit. Usually completed in Microsoft Excel, that is the software that we will be working with, or appropriate softwares like Stata, SPSS, Gradle, eViews, etc., or with a graphing calculator. And then before we move with our Excel file, what is the R square? How do we interpret it? How do we read it? Higher the R square, the stronger the relationship between cost and volume. It ranges from 0 to 1. And the rule of thumb, no scientific studied here, only what companies in practice use it. R square greater than zero point 0.8 or 80%, that is such as a B grade, indicates very reliable cost equation. So you can use it, cool, no problem. R squared between zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.8 should be used with caution. It is good, however, it is not that good. R squared below zero point 0.5 or 50%, it's an F grade, fail. Equation is not reliable. Okay. And some data concerns, we are talking about short-term decisions, so only valid within relevant range. We need to take care about seasonality, inflation, and outliers may need to remove from data set or use advanced technique to deal with it. We also have a video about how to deal with outliers in regression analysis, and it's also in our video description. So let's open our Excel file here. It is the same data that we use in the high-low method. And by the way, just as always, this Excel file, it is also in our video description, so you can download it. So here, first of all, scatter plots, no outliers here. Only how to do that. It's quite easy. You select your data, insert, this last one, insert scatter plots, and here we have it. So no rocket science here. So okay, apparently no outlier. Uh, we would have it if we have something like that. This is an outlier. Okay. And how do we work with regression analysis in Excel? We go to data, and here we should have a data analysis menu. I don't have it. Probably you don't have it because it is not an Excel pattern to have it. So don't panic. We can install it. So follow me. File, options. It doesn't matter the version that you are working with. It has since Excel 95, so more than 20 years ago, we have it, so you have it. Option, you will have this menu here. We go to addings. Addings, it could take a while. Okay. Excel addings. Go. Here we go. Analysis toolpack. Analysis toolpack. Okay. Just a second, and the magic is here. We have the data analysis now. So data analysis, it is listed a series of statistical functions here. It will take a while only for the first time. And then it is in alphabetic order. So regression here. And what do we need? What is the Y range and the X range? The range are exactly the same of our scatter plots. So Y range here, our total cost. So let's select our total cost. X range, our production. So our production here. And then we just click on labels. What these labels means that the first row here, it is the name of our variable. It is not numbers. And then new worksheet, we can call it regression. And okay, here we go. Ta-da-da-da, regression. Let's just move it here. Okay, let me zoom in. Oh, first of all, we will not go through all of these topics. It's much more business stats, and it is not a business stat class. However, if you have any questions about these numbers, just leave it in our YouTube video or email me. And what we need, the R square or adjusted R square. For our cost functions, it doesn't matter. They will be very, very similar. So here we and if we go to business stats, this second one is more reliable. So let's work with this one. 0.94. Remember, more higher than zero point 0.8 reliable. So we are good to go. And now we have the coefficients. This is what we need. Intercept. Intercept means equal fixed costs. Production, that is the name of our variable cost, is equal variable cost per unit. Our cost equation here will be total cost equal 29076.09 plus 10.46 or 47 times production. This is our cost equation. If we compare it with the high-low method, 10.67, 10.47, very similar, plus 16, now the fixed cost is very different, almost the double. This one is much more reliable than the high-low method. Why? Because high-low method, we work with only two dots. Regression, we work with all of our series. So it is much more reliable. So this is how we work with regression analysis. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. If you have questions, comments, just leave it in our video or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. And please subscribe our channel, like our video, and have a very nice day.